here?
What?
That looks like you.
Yeah,
the glasses?
wait, where? All right, so where's your car,
I'm your Uber
man?
today, bro.
Like, what the fuck?
Aren't you going to Hollywood today? What's up with that?
Yeah, but you rolling up here in a
bro?
motorcycle?
Go to West Hollywood. There's a lot of dicks there.
What the fuck?
I'm just playing with you, bro.
Okay, bro, but
Yeah,
like,
so
where's
you're
the
gonna
car
get on
at?
so
Like,
we can go, bro.
I gotta get to work, man.
Yeah, so get on.
What do you mean get on?
Look,
where's your car? You're supposed to be driving a Toyota Corolla.
Beautiful day. Hey, is your name Darlene?
Yes, it is.
My name is Mustafa. I'm your Uber today. This is you right there. That's your account,
No,
right?
you're not, because I called for a car. Uber only works for cars. This is Uber motorcycle.
Yeah.
I didn't call.
Yeah, I understand. My car just got totaled on the freeway. Some truck ran over me.
That is.
I don't know how I'm
That
still
is
alive.
false advertisement.
Yeah.
No, I called for a car. I know this.
No, I know. I was
is
gonna
not
come pick
happening
you.
to me right now. I have an interview in like 20 minutes.
Get you there in 10 minutes.
Corolla.
So let me explain something to you. Nowadays, everyone says something, but it's not really what it is. You know, the other day I ordered a PS4. I opened the box when he arrived, and it was a fucking Xbox 360. Once you pass it,
You're playing with me, right?
no, I'm not. Look, I'm not playing with you.
Shit.
My back seat actually vibrates, so your asshole is gonna be vibrated. You're gonna feel good.
Fuck that, man. Get
Hey.
the fuck out of here.
Mustafa, you know how to drive this motorcycle.
Of course.
Don't play with me.
I'm just kidding. It's my first time on a bike, so. Listen, bro, you don't want to orgasm?
No, fuck that shit. I am reporting the fuck out of this.
Okay, look,
I am getting a
look,
new
bro,
ride.
Bro, you
I don't have time for this
You'll
shit.
record me. I mean, report me later, bro. Let me ask you a simple question.
What's up?
Okay? Honest question. Are you a pussy?
No, I'm probably gonna fucking die today.
Hey,
But
listen. How about if you pass your interview today, we go grab some drinks together?
Mustafa, are you hitting on me?
Yeah, you're pretty cute. I'm into black people.
Oh my god.
I like that.
What?
Well, you're not getting on my
Well,
bike.
I'm a fucking pussy. Fuck you.
Hey. You good?
Mustafa, I'm a motorcycle buddy. Don't play with me.
Okay. Hey, you guys called an Uber, dog? I'm your fucking Uber, my boy. My name is Alfredo.
Nigga, what the fuck is that, bro?
Alfredo.
Nigga, what?
What's up, bro?
No, bro, I don't know you like that, my nigga.
Hey, look, my boy. Why you call me nigga? Look at my skin, dog.
My nigga, I do not know
I'm
you,
not
bro.
from Africa.
Hey, bro.
G. It's okay. I'll drive very slow and stuff. Maybe a few wheelies on the way, it should be fun, huh? I got back.
Bro, where is the Uber?
I am your Uber,
You're
bro.
not the fucking Uber, bro. Where's the fucking Uber?
Uber, bro. Look at your account right there. Isn't that you that ordered it?
Nigga, no, bro. This shit says a Chevy Malibu. What the fuck is this? Bro, we gotta be somewhere, bro. What the fuck are
I'll
you talking
take you.
about?
Let's go, bro.
What?
He looks like he's pussing out. Let's go. You go. You're hard.
What you mean?
Have you been on a bike before,
I have
bro?
to be somewhere. Nigga,
Have you been on a bike before, bro?
not a
The
motorcycle, not a bike,
backseat
but not that
vibrates,
shit.
homie. Your asshole's gonna feel
Oh,
good and
yeah,
shit, bro.
nah, you got these. Nah, nigga, you with that gay asshole shit,
Nah,
bro.
bro, I'm not
First
gay.
of all, nigga, he bullshit.
This nigga right here.
Come on, bro. You look gay.
Nah,
already. Let's go.
bro,
nigga, hold
this
on, wait.
nigga, bro.
You sit right here, and then legs go right there, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so kind of put your left leg right here. You hop over,
Okay.
put your right leg right there, and you sit right there, and you're gonna hold on to me, okay?
Okay.
I'm not getting on the back of a fucking motorcycle.
Why not? This is you.
Bro, you're tripping. That's me, but I'm not getting on the back of a
Why
motorcycle.
not?
Nigga, don't
It's
disrespect
gonna
me.
be- I'm not disrespecting you, bro.
Nah. Because
Bro.
first of all, you put up, and it's not even a car. And you trying to tell me you're on the back of a fucking motorcycle, and I don't know you.
I mean, don't worry, I'm not a crip and shit.
Ain't no, don't crip. So now you banging.
Oh, no, not like
Nigga,
that.
You got me fucked up. You came over here on this red bike and all that shit, bro. You got me fucked up.
Hey, my boy, I'm
Nah,
not.
bro, I should beat your motherfucking ass over here
Hey,
banging
homie,
in the damn
hey,
road. You
hey.
come over here, niggas, so
Hey,
don't
my
pull up
boy,
over here on
my
no
boy,
red
my
shit
boy,
on
listen.
it. Matter of fact,
Hey, let me tell you one
don't
small-
fucking touch me, nigga.
Let me,
Nah, see,
hey,
bro,
let me
you
tell you
fucking
one
tripping
small
on me
thing,
right
bro.
now.
Don't hit me. Take little money, bro. You know, I can't finish up my sleeve.
Bro, I
need
have to be somewhere by 4:30. Can you get me there?
Yeah, let's go, bro. I got you, bro. Let's go.
Nigga, bro.
Come on, be down, bro. Hey, listen, I just picked up 3 bitches on the way.
Bro.
Don't be lame, bro. Come on, you're better than a bitch. Let's go, bro.
Nah, don't, no.
You trying to kiss me or what, bro?
Fuck you. Matter of fact.
Hey,
Nah,
hey,
back
wait.
your fucking ass
Hey,
up,
hey,
bro.
you can't get that shit.
Back your fucking ass up.
Why, bro?
Back your ass up. Nah,
What's
cause you
up,
come out here disrespecting me all blood and all that shit out here.
No, I
Don't you know it's Crips,
didn't.
cuz?
Hey,
Nigga, that's on 60s and
Hey,
all
my
that. Nigga,
boy,
that's on OG, that's on Mud and all them niggas, bro. You don't know shit
Calm
about
down,
that
my
shit.
boy. Calm down, listen, bro. I
Disrespecting the coach, you know how many niggas died for that shit? You gonna pull up over here disrespecting me and trying to get me on the back? Nah, so you think I'm gay too?
It's just like
Nah, so now you think I'm gay, trying to get me on the back of this fucking motorcycle.
Bro. Don't you like gay shit, man? I think every man.
Gay shit?
No, not like
I
that,
should
bro.
beat your motherfucking ass.
Hey, let's go, dog.
I gotta be somewhere. Nigga, are you for real Uber, bro?
Yes.
Bro, you're not gonna kidnap me, are you? Oh no, dumb shit, right?
Bro, you're the one who's supposed to kidnap me. You're the black kid, bro. I should be worrying, man.
I'm not even gonna get mad because I gotta be somewhere. Bro, let's go. I have to be somewhere, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You know,
Let's
have
go.
you been
Let's
on the
go.
bike before, dog?
Bro, I will hit you up. Hopefully you don't get some dumb shit, bro. I gotta go.
Come on, I've seen the music video.
Oh,
Dog,
nigga.
have the wheelies and shit, homie.
Woo! Oh shit!
Get the fuck
Nigga,
on,
I ain't never
touching my ass, bro. I'm saying your dick is touching my ass, bro.
What the fuck, nigga?
Put your leg right there, bro.
Here, my nigga.
Right here, bro. You see the leg?
What?
Right there, dog.
I ain't never been on this shit before.
Yeah, hold on to my ass, bro. Hey, every man needs to come out of his. Hey, okay, cuz. Okay. Hey,
Nah, bro, I'm not really far. I'm not.
I like how your brain. It's a prank video. I'm fucking with you. I got you an Uber.
What?
It's a fucking prank video, dude.
Oh man.
Hey, come out of there.
Oh man.
It's easy concealing a weapon, it's almost impossible raising a baby. Keeping it gangster is hard and I